Want to know how to report an issue or a map issue in Waze? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your Waze application, and once you're there, head towards this three hamburger icon right here on the top left side. Now once you've selected it, here right below settings you can see help and feedback. Just simply select help and feedback. Now once I've selected help and feedback, there should be various reports you should be able to do. So you can go into help center, ask the Waze community, report issues and send logs. So you can just choose any one of these if you have an issue. So for easiness, you can just simply select report an issue. And once that is done, there will be a topic coming up. So you can just simply select any one of these. So if you want to change map issues or report map issues, just simply select GPS and network, and with your sub topic GPS issue. So you can just simply select all of these resources which might help you out, or you can just simply ask community export right here or submit a ticket. So if that is done, your form should load and you can submit it, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.